Hello, my beloveds. Akasha here, and I've been talking about my home renovation. You can see my pool here is almost complete, and we have no water in it yet. And a couple days ago, I was able to do my wall. So this is a wall, a building that we built, and had a vision of embedding into the actual building the energy. So I love energy. I believe in activating your light body, cleansing and clearing, talking and communicating with nature and spirit, animals, your higher self, water, the elementals, crystals. And so I spent several weeks playing around with a lot of shells and stones that I had to come up with this. Now, I only had 10 minutes to get it embedded while it was fresh. It is drying. And so I thought I would share with you. My beloved did create a video of the whole thing, and he's going to make a version that's fast forward, and I'll share that with you. In the meantime, I want you to see what I did and what are some of the sacred energies. So we're going to be having our retreats here, like the one coming up in March, and doing healing, and I'm clearing and cleansing myself and the land all the time. So all of these stones and shells, I found them all here on my beach, and many of these stones have been to sacred ceremonies that we've done on the top of temples or pyramids. They've been through different healings. They have different properties. So these are the shells, mostly the shells. Now I did put some wings. I love when I find these wings. I've got a couple versions of the shell wings. And this beautiful pattern is very sacred geometry to me. It's an expansion pattern, a growth pattern. So you may know a little bit about crystals, so I'll just touch on it, but I have amethyst, okay? Amethyst is purple, and I have it alternating on this side, which is the left side, the feminine side, with rose quartz. So love and higher self, love and crown, love and your own authority, pure love. In the center, I have a rose quartz heart. This was one of many that I gave on one of my retreats, and everyone got one, and we took them to sacred ceremonies throughout the whole week. So that has that embedded in it. Here we have the evil eye, which is a protector against evil eyes, against any energies that are coming at you. And here is a tiger's eye. So I have eyes near the heart. Below it is a hematite, heart-shaped sort of, which is very grounding. So we're grounding the love here. We have earth energy in this. And here's a little Buddha. This was an earring I had made of crystal. So we have that divine peace, self-enlightenment energy. And here we have a little pyramid, and it's got, there you can see that a little bit better. It's got the copper spiral with the crystal, so the energy is coming up, and it's grounded in this dark stone energy, which is obsidian, which is for cleansing, protection, healing, pulling out the dark, creating clarity, and we have a copper spiral here. So these are, of course, the pyramid energy is a very powerful, concentrated energy. Higher up the center channel, I have a scarab and a dolphin. This is a little jade dolphin, one of my main guides, part of our Light Body Healing Council, and we have them right out here in the ocean. More wings. Scarab, this is from Egypt. This is one of my necklaces. It's obsidian, and it is what's called the Hunab Ku. Hunab Ku is the symbol, the ancient Maya name for the one of all, the source. And you can see that it's a bit like a yin-yang. It's balanced perfectly between light and dark, and it's a little more complex than a yin-yang. You've got this constant, eternal spiral, ascension energy around it, directions, and many more things. This is very powerful. It's also been to many ceremonies and sites with me. And we have our crystal points that are programmed to bring in energy and take energy out around our Kuan Yin, who's our prosperity Kuan Yin, full of bringing us compassion and love and taking all of our pain and fears. I've got citrine throughout this. This is real citrine. Citrine never lowers its frequency. It's clarity, it's a gold ray, it's permanently a high frequency. and it's also bringing in prosperity. Up here we have an amethyst point and a star tetrahedron, and this is around our selenite wand, which has become our pillar of light, up with wings like the crown chakra to the highest point of who we are. So the energies, the way I've laid them out, the way the crystals are combined, where they've been, all of these have power. So again, on this side, you see occasionally a citrine for the cleansing and the clearing, and we have our rose quartz and our amethyst. And then on this side, we've got malachite for prosperity, healing, and growth, and turquoise for clarity, communication, and receptivity. Those alternate all the way down this side. And then we have spirals within that alternate. Here around the pyramid, we have tiger's eye, turquoise, carnelian. We have some marble, white stone marble from this area, this land. We've got some clear crystal, and we've got this very special little pillar shell. This is a crystal cluster that I found in Arkansas. And around this side, we have similar energies here. Now, the next layer in, we have this representing Gaia, or the earth, and our manifestations. You can see coming down through all these levels of balance and spirit and joy and play and love and anchoring into earth. These little marble stones are like wings as well, into our peaceful energy, our protected safe space right here. And up here we go from wings to crystals to carnelian, and in here we have another star tetrahedron. This is a three-dimensional Merkaba where the above and below merge together, the masculine and the feminine. And here's another one, so they're perfectly balanced above and below and side to side. And this is another crystal from Arkansas that I found. So that's a little bit of a tour of the energies of my beautiful new sacred wall that is embedded energy here, and I hope that you'll come and visit me one day here in my beautiful sanctuary and enjoy this and so much more. Have a beautiful and blessed day, everybody. Namaste. I love you.